Welcome to 5 Luo Words A Day. In this episode, we give you 5 words every day. Today's words are achwecha, achwecha, sometimes achera, achera. Skimming the surface, like if you throw a stone on a water body and it barely touches the water and moves by bouncing off the water. So you say, abayo kidi achwecha. Abayo kidi achwecha. Our second word is adanga. Adanga. Adanga are small pieces of fleas which adhere to fresh hide, and usually they are cut off. Adanga. Adanga. Actually, the action of dango means to cut it off. Dango. Adasa. Adasa. Stripping of milk, like from a cow's udder. The few attempts, the final attempts when you're stripping the milk, then you say adaso. Adaso chak. Adasa. Adasa. The fourth word of the day is adawa. Adawa. Adawa has two meanings. There is one that is very exhausted, like this dog here. But also, adawa might mean victoriously or triumphantly. Adawa. Adawa. Our last word of the day is adega. Adega or adegedege. Adegedege. So adegedege is a watery or swampy area or a place that looks like the one in the picture below. Adegedege or adega. Thank you, and I see you tomorrow.